bodies were headed to Oliphant's Vlei Cemetery for burial. The accident happened on the M1 South, resulting in both sides of the freeway being closed.
Our JMP officers on the freeway patrol unit discovered that in fact there were more than a dozen bodies in coffins, including stillborn babies. So that's something that we immediately contacted the South African Police Services together with the Provincial Department of Health to investigate. We understand that the driver of the van claims that he's an undertaker. He's contracted to the Provincial Department of Health. When our officers requested for the documentation, releasing the bodies to this undertaker to be taken to a burial site, we didn't see such documents.
Gauteng Department of Health, the driver had the necessary transportation authority. However, transportation procedure policies are not standard in all hospitals across the province.
I've also looked at the procurement of a service provider for this, because it's a private service provider, and I've seen a number of gaps. One of the gaps is that in the specification, it is not indicated what type of vehicle must be used. With the forensic pathologists, the vehicles are specified, but with hospital mortuaries, that is not specified. So it's one thing that we need to correct. And secondly is that there is no transversal policy for the province as a whole. Every hospital develop its own specification.
The bodies are back at the Charlotte Maxeke Hospital mortuary. The burials will take place in the next week. Ramokgopa, SABC News, Johannesburg.